Bob Powell here, Power Reviews. Welcome back to a wonderfully winter's rainy day. And today, I'm looking at my Micro. So small, you don't even know it's there. Hit it!
Power Reviews helps you choose.
Okay, I'm going to look at the features, the price, and I'm going to give it a review and see the size of it compared to other things, other knives. Not other things, other knives. I suppose I could compare it to other things. There's a bike stem. Anyway, is it any good? Let's give it a review. Okay, first of all, the most important thing is when I've learned this the hard way because I never read the instructions, and it says clearly in the instructions you should do this, and I have consequently broken a couple of knives in my lifetime. What is it? Oil it. The first thing when you get a brand new knife, oil it. You can hear the metal rubbing on the metal. So I used this. I just used any old oil, link lube, bit of lube, but I found that it was too thick. It was too viscous. Look, I didn't think it was getting into the nooks and crannies, so I use this. Now basically this is Muc-Off's GT85, or sorry, I was just looking out the window, WD-40. Get out of the way. Just give it a little spray, and that will prolong the life of your knife. Okay, here's a bit of cardboard. So basically, give it a little spray. Don't be afraid of it. Let it run in, you know, all the moving parts. Now, I've never done this. Well, I do now, but I never did it. And the hinge mechanism always snaps. It breaks after a couple of years. So now I just give it a little spray. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Done. Easy. You can get this. They recommend the spray, the GT85, with the PTFTE, whatever that is, but that's chemically. Oh, this. The Leatherman scissors people recommend this. They like that stuff on your knife, but this is free and this is just as good. Okay, I think that's like a chemical. Anyway, let's get to the knife, shall we? That's it. It's just important that you give it a little bit of lubrication. Now, this is brand spanking new. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's just have a look. Is this the best £50 you can spend on a little tool? It is good quality. It doesn't have Allen key bolts or screws. It has these. I think you can undo them yourself, but I've never got around to doing that. This is brand new because I broke mine. The scissor action didn't work after a while. Don't tell Leatherman, but I didn't oil it. Shh, don't say nothing. However, I got this free because Leatherman, I'll tell you something now. Leatherman will replace your broken knife free of charge. I just went on the website, sent this off, wasn't even 3 or 4 days, and they sent me a replacement. Now, I haven't read the small print. I don't know if it's like any old breakage, but my scissors didn't work. It was all limping like that. Anyway, I sent it off, filled the form in, and I got a brand new one back. And I had that one for a couple of years. So that's good. That's peace of mind. So that when it broke, I thought, because I've had two Leathermans that have broken, I thought, oh no, I'm not buying Leatherman. But they'll replace it, so I am now a loyal customer because I like that piece of man. Right, let's get to the features. So it's like a stainless steel. It has the Leatherman tool like etched in it. It's not cheap. For 50 quid, you want quality, don't you?
Oh, yes, yes.
Easy, absolutely easy to get out. Let's see what you get in here for your Micra.
Hello.
It's not Micra money, is it? Hey, big money, small tool. Is it worth it? That's what we're here to find out. Okay, let's get it all out first. And I'll tell you what they are. Okay, that is a knife, and that is a very, very, very extremely sharp knife. Okay, let's just show you how sharp this is. Stabby stab. See that? Like batter. Look at that. Look. Have a slice. See that? How sharp is that? So it is very sharp. Look at that. Do you have to do that? Oh yeah. So that is a very, very sharp knife. Okay? Very nice. Stabby and slicey, both sharp. This is for your nails. It's a file, and you know some nail files you get and they don't really work. That works. You can see your nail going down straight away. So that's a good nail file. And I think this is something to do with your nails, a cleaner or a fancier, you know, it's for your nails. Okay, knife, nails, keep yourself beautiful, and you've got a Sharpie. This is a screwdriver, normal screwdriver. So it's handy to have this tool. Scissors, very sharp. Let's see. Ow! Just stab myself. Just gently though. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, lovely. This is just a handy knife. I'll tell you the pros and the cons as well. Okay, that's a nice knife. Okay, we've done that. We've done that side. Simple. This side. This is a Phillips screwdriver for Phillips. It's only got one edge to it though, but it'll work in the Phillips. And this is also a screwdriver, but it's a tiny one. So that's handy, isn't it? And you've got a bottle opener. Now, what I like to do is, say if I've got a tool and say I never drink bottles or I never use Phillips, or you can use the tool for other things, you know. Oh, I need to pick the jar off or whatever. So it's not specifically for that. And some tweezers. Okay? Very, very handy. Nice fine point to them. Which is what I'm making, a fine point. So, do I like this tool? And is it worth it? Let me just show you one more thing. So I've shown you that. For bottle opener, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, scissors, knife, and nails, and lots of screwdrivers on it. Okay. But there's one more thing. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold. Right, look at this. Look. It's got a ruler. You see it? Do you see? And I think it's about 12 centimetres. It goes up to 11 there, but there's another mark there. And it is actually very accurate. Looky. There you go. One there. You have to join them two there together. See? Look. You see? There's the one there. Goes to the 11. Yep, it's accurate. Okay, that's great. Now, do I like it? Yes, I love this little thing. However, I throw this in my bicycle bag because it's so handy to have. It really is. And it weighs nothing. It's got weight on it, you know, it's good quality. However, it makes me very nervous because it's so small. You could easily lose that. So what I do is I purchase these because it doesn't go on my keys. And this is to see it with ease. You just pop that on there. No problem. Peace of mind. Okay, 50 quid. Any good? Yes, I like it. For £50, you could buy the scissors and the screwdrivers and tweezers all separately. Probably have change, but it would be big and bulky. This is just, if you got 50 quid, I'd recommend it and just cry your tears that you've spent 50 quid, and in a few months you'll forget about the money, but you'll have this for 25 years because it's a 25-year replacement guarantee, and they do honour that because I've tried it 3 times now. I like it. It's very nice. Now let me just show you this feature. It sits, it's very beautifully made. Everything's nice and flush. Okay, I just want to show you this. When you want to use a screwdriver, you can close it, and that it's not locked, and that will act as a little handle. So you don't have to have it open. You can have it like that as well, I suppose. Like that, bit of leverage. You can position it however you wish. And that will happen on all of them. And it is legal in this country. You can legally have this. Take it out with you, keep it in your pocket. If you're sitting in, like, say, Mackey's or a cafe, I wouldn't get it out. Just leave it in your pocket, you know. But you can carry it. There you go. Now, where does this bad boy sit on the scale of my other conniving problem? I was going to do a nice little joke there. Ruin that. So, where does this sit on the scale of my other conniving? And the other knives, forget it. It's no way, does it? Okay. My next review, I'm going to review the Leatherman Signal, and I'm going to do another video of things I buy in bicycle magazines. So they're my next 2 videos. I don't know what order. Probably that, because not that one. I've got another one. Okay. Anyway, very small. Keep going. No, keep going. Smaller than that. And this is my actually smallest one. And this is only a knife. And this is smaller than that, and it's got loads of features on it, so that's good. I think this was like a tenner, 12 quid. This is 5 times. Okay, it's sort of like, you know, the Victorinox with all the features on it. Anyway, this is great for bicyclists. Just throw in and forget. It's very tiny. Okay. What do you think? Do you have one? Will you be purchasing one? Now, I've got this now, so I'm not going to buy another one. This will last me for years. Now I know to oil it. This was considerably more. I think they're about between 120 and 140 pounds, depends on where you purchase it. I just want to say, I got this, the original one, this is a replacement, with my own dosh. It's my thoughts, you know, that your usual stuff, not sponsored and all that. Okay, and I like it. 8 out of 10. Highly recommend it. It's very small, easily lost. Easily you can lose that. Put a little, whatever this is called, on it. and gives you peace of mind. I like the features, like the scissors, snip, little screwdriver. It's just your basic features, really. It's not major. These have come in handy over the years, these tweezers. Okay, join me next time when I will be reviewing this, and I will also be reviewing a pump that instantly pumps your tyres up for a bicycle. What I read in a magazine, and I've been Bob Power. This is Power Reviews. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Toodle, pip, skippy. Bye.
I can't find it.